our wood apple, everyone. Wow, it's so good that my brother helped me to pick it. And we also have mango too, everyone. So now we start to make fish pass, everyone, for eat with our wood apple and also mango. Yeah, we have chili and also palm sugar. So now start to make fish pass with me. Wow, our mango look like so yummy. Add eye on it, everyone, to pickle and make our wood apple and also our mango be crispy. So now we start to make our fish pass. Add our palm sugar. Add our ISMG. Then add our chili. And then merge it. Wow. I'm so mouth-watering with this deep pass. The best one. best taste everyone. This is the fruit in countryside, everyone. Really yum and yummy. So now I think it is time to say goodbye, everyone. But before I say goodbye, everybody, don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more about countryside lifestyle, especially to see about the rules of living. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, and thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.